Hammond.
Somebody in general chat just asked, "What's your favorite thing to do in the gym?" I answered vending machine.
Traveling to Numbani.
Gotta get some protein, bro. Ah, right, Numbani. Let me. Oops.
Expect Hammond.
Expecting Hammond.
Expecting Hammond.
Yep, so it's on the counter dive
As
here.
stupid as that is, this works very well against Hammond.
Yeah.
What do we- I want to try doing the standard counter dive here.
Standard counter dive.
Yep.
On it.
Which means leave me behind.
Wait a node.
Make the Hammond useless by making him jump in to cause chaos and no one being there anymore.
It's the value of
Oh,
it.
hi, Mr. Hammond! Bye, Mr. Hammond.
Bye!
I'm on your supports now. You can't peel at all. Even Monkey peels better than you do.
Hey, did anyone see the fan art tuxedo skin of it?
Oh lord, yes I did.
It was
What?
awesome.
I
It's
thought it was
fucking
awesome.
Yeah,
I mean,
it
nothing
looked
about
so
Hammond
good.
is ever going to be awesome, so...
I'll remute.
Can you stop hating on Hammond, please?
Nope. He's a dumb concept and I wanted a better off-tank. I will never not be mad.
Hey, at least he's not an off tank.
If he doesn't have a shield, he's not a main tank.
Doesn't need to shoot up your main tank.
And because he's in the tank category, that automatically makes him an off-tank.
So, anyway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack.
Yeah, so call the target.
They have died.
Winston? Diva, Hammond.
They might be going under.
Are they triple tanking with the Hammond?
Yeah, they are. They're going around the back.
Alright, then jump to Z, then immediately
They're
dive
going
when they
under?
come in. They're gonna come, yep, I see them, they're coming
They're
straight
coming
for me.
under.
Who's behind, but
Tracer's going around
Wonky's behind and low.
Tracer's coming behind up top. Tracer, no, she's blinked back down.
Yeah.
One has got.
Yeah, they're triple tanking with Hammond.
Ha!
nice pick.
Monkey one.
Break bubble, break bubble, break bubble. Tracer on
Diva's
point.
whipped me off, Diva's whipped me off.
Diva. Tracer's coming
Tracer
behind me.
Diva's half.
Diva.
I got
Tracer, me, I need help. Tracer one.
One mercy.
Get dumped on.
Silly goose. What are you doing here?
Their Winston's still behind us.
Yep.
He's
No, he
jumping
jumped
off.
at the edge.
I heals.
Back up,
I'm
Cass.
stupid. Thank you.
Yep, so their plan is gonna be try and get the tanks and you get the Tracer onto me.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Keep an eye on Kid, Emma. I think Kid's
Yeah, so
okay
try and-
dealing with the Tracer.
I'm okay for a little bit.
Yeah, I can peel back to you and you, the rest of you guys
Yeah,
can
I
duel out
prefer,
the,
yeah, just go hard on the Zen if we can.
Yeah. If we,
Yeah, Tracer's coming
they've been
behind again.
protecting him pretty consistently.
Give me heals, Emma.
Yeah, she's still over the back. The rest of them are down below here. They're looking to dive up. I don't see the Zen with them.
Hammond is good.
Yeah, Zen's here.
Hammond.
One mercy.
Not me.
Diva below, so there's Valky. David is good one. Winston is top right. Winston on me. Winston one.
Nice.
They were on me
I know
behind.
that.
Messi.
They're on the point.
I need healing.
I'm going for this.
Hammond up with me. I'm dropping.
Please, I need healing.
They've used ult. Hammond ult. Keep me up. I'm almost a trance. Call.
Mercy's hiding on point underneath all the fucking mines.
Call.
This is Hammond.
Messi is-
Hammond and
Diva's slow.
Diva one. Nice.
I'm playing back
This is
80% on trance. Nice.
Okay.
You've still got some supports. Call.
Hammond no shield.
Keep calling, guys. Keep calling. Who are you shooting at?
Alright.
the wins. It's just me. I can't do it.
Yeah, do it anyway, so I know what to do.
Okay.
Because I had bomb here, and it's like, what do I do?
Go for it.
Damage one.
Winston.
Probably.
Winston. Trancing. Winston, no bubble. Group on point. Get the Messi main.
Messy's half.
Messi point.
Use the blade.
Messi rising. Call target. They're
Diva's
bombing
using
you primarily.
I can't block it.
Winston Discord. Winston half.
One Zen.
Winston on me, I need help. Winston.
I can't help you, dude. I'm Hammond on point half.
Winston one point.
Nice.
Diva half.
Nice.
Hammond is main.
Hammond main.
Let him
I'm
go.
not fighting him.
No, he'll just shield you and run away.
I'm getting up onto high ground here.
Or worlds they use.
What the fuck
These
are
bombs-
they
These bomb.
These bomb primal they've used Fel, they've used Hammond, but they'll be close to a bunch of them. They haven't used
They probably have
Trance yet, I
Tracer
don't think.
Bomb.
They
They
should have
use Tracer
pulse.
Bomb, but they should have it back again.
Back up,
I'm not a mech,
back up,
please
back
be
up.
careful.
Yep. Play passive right now, by the way, guys. Until we get mech back.
Zen's
I'm
low.
80 to mech. 90 to mech. Yes, speed please, Winston, thank
Keep
you.
Nathan up, keep Nathan up. Winston 1, Winston 1, Winston 1.
Nice.
Tracer behind. Tracer behind.
Zen main by
Call,
himself.
call.
I'll be on Zen in a sec.
Zen dead,
Messi,
Zen
Messi,
dead.
Messi, Messi,
Help me,
Messi.
help me.
That's him.
Keep armor up, keep armor up. You got no
I'm
support.
trying, dude. There's so many tanks back here.
I'm 80% of trance.
They just bombed the entire like back away here. Diva mech is one.
Yeah.
I saw that right. That was a feels bad, man.
Yeah, I thought I'd be able to survive jumping through them, but apparently not.
No, it's a lot of damage when you do that.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
Cass.
Oh well.
Worth a shot. They were pretty low
We can
too.
go for this.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah, I've got a bomb. Keep on doing it. Go, 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 go.
Touch it. No one can touch it in time.
Hammond. Back up.
Yeah, leave.
They're
I'm gonna
bombing.
die to this.
Just die to it. We'll leave.
Or not.
Monkey's jumped in.
Monkey low, monkey low, monkey low.
He's primal.
Primaling.
Monkey's primal.
Yeah, get down to
There's somebody in the room.
Let's just get out.
Yeah,
regroup.
yeah,
Reset
die.
as far back as you can.
I'm trying to die. They aren't killing me though. Winston's low.
They
Winston,
use
Winston.
primal and deeper bomb there.
Tracer's up forward, so it's Messi.
God damn it. I've just got bomb, but it's all good.
Back up, right, back up.
Yeah. Alright. I just switched.
Yeah, they
Reset,
just go
they-
around the first bend.
Yeah, they didn't really push the cart, so we're good.
No, they were just leaving the Zen on it.
Let's go up the top and drop on them.
Alright.
Yep. Go for a jump onto
We can
the
use
Zen,
the
actually.
high ground to try and
Jump to the Zen
get
and
back
get
into a good
Nathan
position.
off.
yeah.
Yeah, tanks and Casco pressure the Zen.
Tracer's up here and Diva's up here.
Where's Diva?
Yep.
Diva Discord.
Monkey's
Hammond's up
jumping.
here, Winston's up here now. No bubble, Winston 1.
You make us half.
Touch
Any
point when
heals?
you can.
Alright, Max dead. Let's go.
Winston low, Winston low.
Touch point. Hammond. Rising. Hammond 1. I'm playing Minesweeper. Winston is still here. Winston and Baby Diva are here, right side. Tracer and our
Diva
pulse.
one.
Sure, I didn't eat that. Cool.
Zen's up here by
I didn't get
himself.
anyone.
Where's the one? Right, nice.
Tracer aside, backing out.
Day kid, you're playing lightsaber.
Minesweeper.
Mine.
Minesweeper.
Emma.
Yes, because they're mines and I'm ulting
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I'm really
yeah, that's
usually
fine.
bumping.
I'm gonna go pick up Emma.
We're only gonna have Primal
Yeah,
and
I'm
Blade
at
here.
corridor now anyway.
They haven't used Trance yet, have they? Diva's right
Well,
side.
Hammond's behind. Hammond's behind.
Don't
Don't go for him, it's a bait.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Messi's around there too. Hammond's coming main now. Get the Diva.
They're diving me. I'm diving back to
Get the
top.
Diva.
I'm on that.
Diva behind half.
She's bombing, she's bombing.
I can't block
It's outside
it.
a bubble. Baby Diva. Hammond.
Ulting.
I'm down there, Primal. Cool targets.
Tracer's, use recall. Messi's resing.
You have to go back to point right.
Messi one.
Call.
Come on, I can't get Zen. Diva, no.
Alright, let it go.
The payload has
Then Messi would have got good spawn.
Hammond's rolling forward, so is Diva. Hammond's
They're
just
keeping the
behind.
dive.
Tracer's going for a flank.
Diva's
Diva's
here on
right
the
side.
right side.
Tracer's in the room on the right.
Hammond is Discord main.
Tracer's low.
Discord now. Tracer's 1.
Mercy's going around the back. Oh no.
Yeah, she's taking Winston with her, I think.
Winston coming behind.
Winston behind on me. I need help. Winston. Nice. Get to Messi. Zen on point.
Tracer looking for bomb.
Alright, let's get on
Zen
the
Discord.
Hammond low.
Diva no
Diva
boost.
mech
Hammond.
half.
Messi right side.
Could have staggered.
It's not worth it with how much time there is left.
Yeah, that's alright.
Alright,
Ryan.
we're gonna final. Just up to Ryan now.
Ryan Diva?
Yep.
Ryan Diva Hammond. Okay.
Yep. Let's try and go for some ults here. Let's use the blade this fight so they can't
Yep.
transfer the next one. They're going to Brig instead of
30 seconds.
the DPS.
Hey Lonnie, your recording stop.
Hammond.
Good stick. Okay. They got wood.
They've used
I'm
my
waiting off
sweeper.
this. Can you get rid of the mines?
Trancing.
I'm trying.
Yep. I'm trying.
Alright, mine's are gone. You're good.
Yep.
I'm on Zen.
This is the last fight. This is the last fight.
Send one.
I'm on point.
Hammond point. I need help. Hammond 1.
I'm on Mercy.
Mercy,
Mercy. DV.
Reinhardt.
She's bombing.
Nice.
Should I reset the map or nah?
No, let us attack.
Yeah.
I mean, it's most of the way to the end.
No, he said reset.
Oh,
it.
right. Oh, no, it's fine. Just let us do this.
Fine, I'll give you guys play of the game just this once.
Alright, we're doing Sombra or Hammond.
I want to get one in the well.
Why
Let's
are
get
you? My question was, if this comes is why would you want to run the Sombra? Just out of curiosity. Like, what's the
No,
reason?
not with the Hammond without is in dive with the Sombra. With the reasoning running it for the EMP bomb is pretty good, and because you can, if you're running the Tracer as well, you can do a bunch of fucking flank damage really quickly.
Mm.
You run Sombra more or less as like a second Tracer.
No.
I think Lonnie's found a couple of soulmates.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Couple of dank memers.
Doing that.
D1, are you running the Hammond here? Is Nathan really?
No, I'm
I
just
mean,
spinning around.
You could try it.
No, I just want to.
Well, Cass would be the one running it,
Oh, okay.
typically.
Yeah, we believe in the power of Cass.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Also, I don't like. Have you played him at all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just didn't. Yeah, because I certainly have.
Actually, I trust Nathan is the kind of person who would be playing a bunch of Hammond.
Yeah, of course he does. Nathan's the type of person who plays off-meta things.
Yeah, let's try the Hammond here with the... Doing this
Get your
again?
monkey out of there!
Uh,
God damn it!
Alright.
Right, wait for the setup.
Really?
That's a Democrat trap.
Oh, they're gonna be trying to...
I'm
Alright,
gonna go behind.
Soldier top right. Good.
I'm swinging in.
the Bastion's top right. I'm going for him.
Junkrat's top left.
I meant that.
I'm going on jump.
Pressure the top right, there's
Mercy
Mercy
one,
1,
All
Mercy 1.
low, all low, all low.
Mercy 1 on point, top right.
Oh, my god.
Drop to point, Diva.
Diva from me.
Diva point. Come back, Emma, it's gonna help you. Diva 1. Junk on point with me.
Very nice.
Too easy.
God, I was diving the Zen and I said Bastion. I don't know why.
I know. Why am I jumping into a bastion?
Oh, don't worry, dude. On full sky when we were trying to attack them on the point, I said baby Diva was on point and it was a fucking widow. Because she was crack spamming and
Okay.
like, yeah, sensing our
Who are
character.
we leaving on card? Who are we pushing forward with?
Me.
Come on, take some space.
Getting on cart. That's
Yep.
it. Played nerd.
I'm getting high ground.
Be careful of the
Someone's
jump
up here
trap.
with me.
Zen's
Zen.
top right. They're all jumping in here.
Then.
Get out.
Get the Messi.
Where's your thing?
She's one.
Gave out a mech.
Zen top right again, Zen 1. Zen 1 top right in the room. Nice finish.
Emma's down.
Soldier's made.
I'm on bus. I'll get out.
Wait up right, don't push in.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
I'm not a mech.
I have mines.
The Junker's top right, the soldier is still behind us.
Where are they at? I might swing behind them and use
They're
my
still
mines.
bait.
Dev, just use free mech.
Oh, goody.
I'm here now.
Back up.
Back up. Focus tire. Tire coming main on cart. It's coming for you, Cass. Nathan.
Got it.
Nice. I'm coming back now. You can push.
I'm gonna swing behind them and use my
Diva is
mines.
Discord. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's not what works.
Soldier Discord. They're dropping onto. They're drop now.
Winston,
Winston's low. Winston's really low.
Winston. Diva bomb behind cart. Diva. Diva remaking.
Yeah, we blocked
Get the
it.
Diva, get the Diva.
Following Diva.
Got soldier.
Winston Discord. Winston behind cart. Baby Diva.
Oh, he
Nice.
dropped.
Messi. Alright, she's backing up.
Oh my god.
Messi Discord.
They really just like trapping you, dude.
It doesn't make sense.
It really doesn't. It's like trapping Zen,
Okay,
right?
that's up to Zaya.
Ryan
right now.
Zaya. We may need to
Use
switch as
Tire,
well.
they should have everything else.
I think we'll be okay.
Sorry.
Except the Ryan Zaya and the
Go on,
Junkrat. Actually,
Yeah.
Ryan's pushing forward. Zaya is Discord.
After I die, I'm gonna switch to Zaya here.
Yeah.
My Q as well. I want to get off Primal first though, okay?
Yeah,
Yeah.
go for this side here.
Behind them.
Run
Ryan
charge,
Discord.
run charge.
Junkrat.
Ryan in left room. Zay's pushing into room to help. Get the Zay, get the Zay.
Got one.
Zay,
Zay half, Zay half. Zay one.
I got the Mercy.
Mercy back right, Mercy back right.
I'm on Mercy.
Zay half.
Mercy's low.
Trancing. Tie right side onto cart, tie onto cart.
Got me. Alright.
Get right.
Run on cart, run.
Protect res.
I'm on Zen.
Alright.
Big knockup.
Soldier's ulting.
Zay's low.
Send right side.
Mercy raging. She's bubbled.
Call.
I'm on Zen. Got Zen.
Get Ryan out of the way. Soldier left room. Soldier left building.
One soldier.
Call.
Jump her. He's squishy.
Stay right.
Runs on cart.
I'm coming.
Run low.
What's happening?
He's your shadow. His
Right,
fight
back
needs
it
to
out.
end probably.
Yeah, back it out.
I've got Primal again.
It's
Okay.
not worth it here. Run half, run one.
I'm switching McCree. Wait, no.
Yeah, no.
Hey. Hunter.
Yeah, go run Zaya, because they're not running Zen either, they're running Lucio.
They went Lucio for stall. Nice.
Alright.
Okay.
Just Rhino charge.
Careful, there's traps here.
I have a bubble for you.
Alright, ready? They're spamming.
Yep.
Alright, now?
Trace is up top with it. Ryan's up top as well.
There you go.
Nice.
Ryan's
off.
dropping. Zaya just called on cart. Run.
She's what?
They're tiring.
It's coming behind.
Can't work it.
It's coming through building. Yep, through building.
Getting res.
No.
It's going up above us. It's going up above in the
It's
room.
coming for me, Emma.
What?
Back up.
Yeah.
Run.
Ryan's charging.
Run. That keeps happening, damn it, every school time. The Ryan ends up on one and gets to survive.
I mean, he puts his shield back up. I don't know what to tell you.
I know, but I mean, that's why I'm sad, right? He charges,
up
but I'm like,
Ryan
yes,
up top.
dagger pick.
He's up top. You got a bubble?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, I'm going now.
Zaina
Ryan's up
personal.
here as well. So.
Run behind you for charge. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, dink. Oh.
Right, I'm still gonna have trance to this side. Because it's like, yeah, I'm not gonna trance to grab unless I use another ult into it, and then
Yeah,
like,
just keep
right,
on,
they're not
just keep
playing
on building
combo.
up.
It was one of those moments I'm like, right, their combos are burst damage. Trace is going out left side.
Oh shit. We can res that, right?
Yeah.
I can protect you.
Okay.
They're spamming main.
Yeah.
7 seconds to bubble.
The Tracer is in the left building. So be careful of
Ryan's
flanking.
still up top.
He's gonna drop for shadow here.
Oh,
He
he dropped.
dropped.
Ryan dropped.
Ryan.
Careful
Have a
of the
bubble
Tracer
key?
left side.
Alright.
Junker's Discord.
Tracer's behind us.
Zaina help bubble. Focus Ryan. Zaina help
Zen
bubble.
one.
Nice.
Push the Ryan. Careful of the shadow though. Run,
Low, nice.
Push forward.
Oh, I have to
Zaina.
grab.
Is that your personal?
Focus side.
Trancing.
Nice.
Tracer behind.
I'm in trap.
Top.
I got you.
Then
Mercy's
right side,
behind.
right side. Then to Zen. Tie left side.
Ow.
Tracer. Mercy up top.
Mercy behind.
Mercy one. She's up top. Focus shadow. Run.
Mercy cut.
Mercy's dropped.
I'm dragging in front of point.
Yep. Tracer on point.
This is Zion grab.
Tracer on point.
Tracer point.
They're transing.
Tracer right side still. Call.
On Jack one.
Call. Send half right side.
Nice.
I'm going high,
Run.
Run shadow.
Point.
I'm high needing.
Run.
Point with you.
I'm on Mercy. Mercy one.
Call.
Mercy one. Actually one.
Mercy down.
Tracer
Zion,
cart.
cart.
Tracer van cart. Help me.
I'm coming to help you. Back up still.
2 seconds to bubble.
Tracer still behind. Tracer on cart. Lucio on carts too. Lucio Discord.
Trace is one, I think, though.
Tracer.
She's one.
Run. Help right. Get the run. Lucio cut.
Pressing.
Messy.
Good res.
I totally messed it up.
Hooray.
The stall.
The store was real.
Jesus, fuck!
That Tracer outplayed us so hard. I'm not even mad. I'm not like, oh, we missed shots. It's like, how the fuck?
Wait, what? Where's that 3K?
Get dicked on, kids.
Oh, it's gonna be a yeah, I know what this is.
He better
Oh,
flat
it's the kill. The rail ultimate in the mines. So for those who missed it, Ray primaled, and Shark tried to get through the mines with it.
She was 1. The Mercy was 1, and I primaled, and I'm like, okay.
It was just so funny to see spectating, see you primaling, I was running to see all the mines, and I respawned right at that time, and then see you die, and was like, I know
thought
exactly what happened there.
I had a lot of